Man, what do I have behind me here? Guys, it looks like I have a pretty nice load here. It looks to be that way. It looks to be that way. Here we go. Just bring it on, right away. Oh my Lord. This is scrap metal bike right here, guys. If you hear all that, the scrap y'all having a blast, man. Out here hanging out.
Man,
what you doing, man?
I can do this, man. You get your bicycle, pick up your friend, and you bring it out here and you get cash. You don't have to have a car.
You don't have to have a car. Hey, you can do it on a bicycle. Do it on a motorcycle. Hey, there you go. Hey, we got the bell on the side of it, man.
What y'all waiting on out there in YouTube land? Come on down home.
Come on down here. Check us out at Yesterday Recycling, man. Check us out, man. All right, man. Anybody can do it. That's how we do it out here. All right, guys. We're walking on down here, man. Take a look at what I have on the back of the trailer here, man. Weighing about 1,400 pounds. Today is not a bad day, man. A lot of this came from yesterday. Didn't get a chance to get out here with you guys yesterday, man. I was too busy doing a clean out. I was like, God, I can't go talk to these guys. So I get a chance today, huh? I get a chance today to show you guys. These guys are so funny. They comedians out here, man. They're so funny, man. This guy's a handful. Anyway, man, this is everything that I have on the trailer. I got to get everything offloaded here. It's about 3 o'clock my time. It's kind of warm out here, too. Kind of humid, man. But woo, can't complain, man. Nice little load. I got to go ahead and look at this scrap metal bike one more time. Here we go. Guys, I'm done here. Everything is offloaded on the trailer here, man. I'm tired. It's hot out here. This sun don't beat me down. We had a blast with the bike. That gentleman owned his own scrap service, man, and got a truck, man. So he had to show the bike action, and that was kind of funny, man. The guys off behind me offloaded the trailer here with the excavator, and my trailer is empty. If you guys can see, I'm empty here. I'm done here. That's pretty much it for me, man. I'm getting ready to call it a day, guys. I'm hot. I'm going to go get me some water and something to eat on. I'm going to call it the day. You guys call it the day. You guys be blessed. Be blessed. Enjoy your day. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.